In a late Wednesday ruling, the Supreme Court's new conservative majority voted in favor of a challenge from religious groups to New York's coronavirus restrictions, temporarily barring the state from enforcing certain attendance limits on houses of worship in virus hotspots, with recently seated Justice Amy Coney Barrett casting a decisive vote. It is time, past time, to make plain that, while the pandemic poses many grave challenges, there is no world in which the Constitution tolerates color-coded executive edicts that reopen liquor stores and bike shops but shutter churches, synagogues and mosques, wrote Justice Neil M. Gorsuch in a concurring opinion. Who knew public health would so perfectly align with secular convenience? In a letter sent to the court last Thursday, New York Solicitor General Barbara D. Underwood argued that there's a documented history of religious gatherings serving as COVID-19 superspreader events, noting that indoor religious services tend to involve large numbers of people from different households, arriving simultaneously and mingling throughout. Chief Justice John Roberts, who joined the court's 3 liberal members in voting against the petitions, agreed in a dissenting opinion that the Supreme Court had reacted too rashly. Numerical capacity limits of 10 and 25 people, depending on the applicable zone, do seem unduly restrictive. Recently confirmed to the court, Barrett, who voted with the majority, played a decisive role in the ruling, which ran counter to previous decisions from the court regarding coronavirus restrictions on houses of worship. In 2 separate cases about churches in California and Nevada, the court had ruled in the favor of the state governor's power to restrict attendance at religious services. However, the makeup of the court has since changed, with the death of Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg ushering in a new era of a 6-3 conservative majority. Full coverage and live updates on the coronavirus.